बच्चों को हेल्दी खिलाने की जब हम बात करते हैं तो बर्गर्स को भी एक ट्विस्ट देना जरूरी हो जाता है। Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. Making burgers healthy, tasty and different is a challenge, but not on the Shilpa Shetty channel. क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो हमारा बटर भी हेल्दी है। आज ब्लैक बीन बर्गर बनाने के लिए हम यूज करने वाले हैं Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread, which is made of creamy milk that gives it a rich taste. What's more, this butter spread is also loaded with probiotics which support immunity. Black beans, as you know, are nutritionally very powerful. They are a great source of protein, carbs, fiber, folate, potassium, and even antioxidants. So let's go. We add our Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread. Some garlic, onions. Then we add into it some grated carrot. Now we add in our cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, only half a teaspoon, cayenne pepper, some salt. This goes into. So these are boiled black beans. You can use rajma as well if you want, or even black-eyed peas. Then we just take a masher. We go right in and mash it up. अब इसमें मिलाएंगे हम 1-2 चम्मच रोस्टेड ओट फ्लावर, ठीक है? Whenever you make burgers, pakode, always taste before you fry them or make them. I would add a little more salt. See? Always works. Now you go right in with your hands. You can add a little of the butter spread on your hands. Okay, we take a small bit, make it into a ball, and then make it into a nice rounded patty. This is a really healthy version because you've already got the carb content in your bread. And ready. It's very, very simple. We take our Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread and spread it. Just the way I like it. Then off. We've got our burger buns. We take our butter spread. We just I either do it this way or that way. So we've got our hot bread. We add our vegan mayo. Add our lettuce. goes your patty, tomatoes, add a bit of the chipotle sauce on top. And there you have it. These black bean burgers are lip-smackingly delicious. The Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread truly is the butter way to do it. लेकिन क्या आपने कभी सोचा था कि black bean से इतने tasty बन सकते हैं burgers? Do try it out and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do press the bell icon to make sure you get all the latest updates. And do download the Simple Soulful app now. और साथ ही स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.